Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Persona 3 movie collector's editions, premium editions, however you want to call it. Um, yeah, I have all four movies right here in a row. They're made by Aniplex, or distributed by, I should say, by Aniplex, and these are the collector's editions. I got these all on release, and we're just gonna kind of go through them and see the art, see what they look like, and as you can see, there's some extra goodies in the back. Actually, I don't think this does not go with it. I'm not sure why. This is a puzzle thing. Disregard this. That's funny. I haven't organized my shelf in a while. But we're going to go ahead and start with the first movie, Persona 3, the movie, number 1, Spring of Birth. Now, right when you open it, you'll see this. We have this little pamphlet, has the slogan Memento Mori, remember you will die, kind of the theme of all of Persona 3. And inside this book, we have some locations, some art designs, enemy designs, persona designs, characters. It's all in Japanese. This did not come out in America in English. Some stickers, or not stickers, like sticker collections. There's the what do you call it? The play of Persona 3 that I will be getting very soon. And some comments by the cast, some original sketches, some cool little things to look through. It's kind of like a mini art book. Then here, I'm not going to open this up. Well, actually, this is unboxing. So, I guess, actually, I don't think this has ever been opened up. We just have postcards right here. You got the Persona 3 protagonist. I think his name's Yuki in this version. On the back, some persona designs. That's his death persona, which may or may not actually be his. Who knows? And then over here we have the movies. I kind of like this design where it has like the little side panel, and then what do you call this? I'm not sure what to call it, but you have this little sidebar thing right here, and then you have the whole picture when you open it up. And we have his first awakening of his persona with Orpheus. And if we flip it over, we have Persona 3 the movie soundtrack CD, which comes with 14 tracks, all from the first movie. And then over here, we just have the Blu-ray disc. But who would really want this when you're buying the movie? Persona 1, the movie. That's ridiculous. So those are the things that come inside of this box. Now, on the outside of it, we have this thing that I taped on, and I'm not sure I can actually take it off, but what it is it's just one of those little sticker sets that I was showing earlier. It included one of the stickers, and I went ahead and taped it onto the back of the box. That way it could stay back on there. But yeah, what is this? Oh, this is the number 3. I guess I didn't tape on that one. So that's Persona 1, or not Persona 1, that's Persona 3, the first movie. Over here we have Persona 3, the second movie, Midsummer Night's Dream. And if you haven't seen these movies, I highly recommend them. Instead of doing the Persona 4 strategy of making an anime, they went ahead and made Persona 3 into 4 movies. And honestly, it works very well. The budget's a lot higher than the animation. I believe that they had a theatrical release for all of these. Go ahead and see this. Oh, I put it upside down. There we go. You have Aigis right there. She's a big part of the second movie. But I highly recommend it. Soundtrack CD again, and the Blu-ray again. We have another art book. I Exist to Protect You. Kind of Aigis' thing. Another Persona 3, the play pamphlet. This time we have little comics. More sticker sets, casting comments again, and then original designs, setting designs, and things like that. Oh, and then there's some persona designs, please. Yeah. So it's actually the same for all these, but we'll go ahead and look through them real quick. There's Persona 3 Falling Down, back, got another sticker. slide it out. This one, the infamous bridge scene. If you've seen this movie, you know what I'm talking about. Or if you played the game, actually. Another soundtrack CD and the Blu-ray. And the music in this is very good. Glad that they included a soundtrack CD with this because it's stellar. It's killer. It's fantastic music. More of this, more comments, more designs, the whole cast and crew. It really kept with the humor that Persona 4 the animation added. They added that to this as well, which is nice. Give it a little more lightheartedness, even if Persona 3 is a more darker tone of a setting, movie, whatever you want to call it, game. And here we have Persona 3 the movie, number 4. Hands are a little sweaty. I'll have to wash it off later. Winter of Rebirth. And this one does have an extra thing, so we'll look at that real quick too. A couple extra things. So this one had the postcards again. Here we have a movie poster, the whole crew, and there's Nyx, Aigis on the back. Have another, have another book like this. Some more of the play, some more casting comments, original works and designs, personas. Obviously, all these are correspondent with their movies, so you're not going to be seeing Nyx designs in 1 or 2 or 3. You're going to see them in 4. And then I love this photo right here. The whole crew walking. So good. Look at that little dog. Look at Koromaru. So cute little dog. Soundtrack CD. And the movie, of course. And then 4 also came with, well, I guess I will open this one up in a second. So here's the theater script. It comes with the theater script, which I thought was hilarious. I can't read Japanese, so I don't know what this says. But it's the whole script for the theater, which was really cool. But this one I want to open up because it does open up. And right here, this little thing, I'm not going to open it up because it is actually film. It's like on original film and is part of the movie. It's like cells or something, original cells. So I thought that was pretty cool. It came with that. And then it has this too, this nice little portrait of Yuki. Whatever you want to call him, he's gone by many names. The man of many names we call our Persona protagonist. The world is undoubtedly coming to an end. It is unstoppable to know, foresee, and face the death. So yeah, that is a quick little unboxing of those collector's editions. I highly recommend these movies. They're on Amazon Prime for cheap. I think less than $10 per movie. That's probably the best way to watch this. If you want to get these, they're not too expensive. I mean, that's all relative. Probably get them for like $60 to $90 on eBay each. So if you're looking for a cool little Persona 3 collection type thing, if you're a big fan of Persona 3, I highly recommend these, and I highly recommend the movies. Anyways, that's all for me today, guys. Stay tuned. Some more Let's Plays coming up tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, probably. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. I appreciate you all. I like your faces. See you in the next video. Goodbye.